My name's Taylor Waddell. I'm the project lead of SpaceCAL Mission 3. This project is revolved around 3D printing in space. If you're familiar with 3D printing, typically we build things layer by layer or maybe outside in. With this 3D printing technology, we form the part all at once. So what we're looking to accomplish with the payload we're setting up is to validate this really new exciting technology in space called computed axial lithography. So with CAL, the parts form instantaneously, but with microgravity it actually enables us to do a wider range of material. We want to use low viscosity resin or material, that means it's thin like water. But what we're looking to do for space is this could enable a lot of deep space exploration and even use for back on Earth. What really suborbital opportunities enables us to do is when it really enables us to test this technology fast, especially even the day of launch. Typically with orbital flights, you might be up there for weeks or months. With this kind of experiment, we're getting it back same day, and that really allows us to quickly analyze and validate our results.